what's up out there? Kumusta kayong lahat dyan? I hope nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan guys. Nabubulol na ako. So, sa mga nasa Middle East guys, huwag niyong kalimutan magdala po ng tubig. Napakainit sa labas. So ngayon guys, huwag natin ito patagalin. Tayo po ay magre-react. Isang ama po nag-audition sa AGT at itong kanta na po guys, pamagat na I'm Still Waiting at the Door. So, excited na po akong pakinggan ito, yung boses ni tatay. At sa pagkaalam ko, ito po ay compose niya, sariling compose niya. So, I'm eager to hear this song. So, kung baguhan man kayo sa channel na to guys, huwag niyo man kalimutan i-hit ang bell guys. Ayan ang bell. At i-like and share. And of course, andyan po yung channel ko sa taas guys. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan guys. Please subscribe. At ito na nga. Huwag natin patatagalin to. So, let's straight to the reaction. So, ito na po guys, at nakahawak lang ako guys kasi wala tayong paglalagyan. So, hawakan ko lang ito yung phone ko. So, let's begin.
My name is Ernesto. I'm 54. I used to work as a carpenter. Life was hard, but I didn't mind. I had a wife and a son, and I lived for them. They were my whole world. I gave everything to my son. Skipped meals, worked overtime, just so he could finish college. When he graduated, I cried. I thought it was the start of our new life. But things changed. My wife grew distant. My son got busy. They stopped calling. One day, they both left. No goodbye. I waited. Days turned to years. No one came back. I lost the house. I lost my purpose. I slept on streets. Forgotten. People looked away, but deep inside, I held on to one thing, my voice and the hope they'd hear it. Now I'm here, not to win, not for fame, just to sing one song for them. Maybe they'll hear me, maybe they'll remember. I never stopped loving them. So this is my song for them.
Nayak ako, nakaka-touch.
I built our home with bleeding hands, laid each brick with love and plans. You were my light, my reason why. Now I just talk to an empty sky. I'm still waiting at the door where your laughter lived before. Every night I whisper low, come back home, don't let me go. But silence is all I know. You wore your cap, I fixed your tie, watched you chase your dreams and fly. I gave you wings, I stayed behind, but now you're gone, and so is time. I'm still waiting at the door where your footsteps touch the floor. Even pain begins to fade, but the love, it always stayed. Still alone, still afraid. I don't need much, anything just to call out your name.
Grabe, you made my heart cry, Tay.
Still waiting.
Masakit, no, ang pagmamahal talaga sa isang ama. Hindi matutumbasan, guys, kahit kanino. It's a sad song, guys, but yet full of hope si Tatay. Di ba sabi niya na kumakanta lang siya sa stage, hindi lang sa goal, hindi lang manalo siya ay manalo. Gusto niya niyang pakinggan at sana marinig ng mag-ina niya na kumakanta sa stage. Yung song na yun ay dinidedicate niya sa kanyang mag-ina. I hope na sana tayo one day soon marinig nila yung boses mo, kumakanta ka sa stage. Babalikan ka rin nila. Just pray for that. Talagang napakasakit. As true story, Tatay. Grabe, tapos siya pa yung nag-compose na song na ito. Napakalungkot, guys, diba? Alam nyo, guys, I love the song. Ang epektibo ng kantang to. At isa to sa mga reminders sa atin na mahalin natin ang ating mga magulang because they live once. At i-feel natin sa kanila yung pagmamahal natin, pagservisyo natin sa kanila. Naiyak ako. Oh my gosh, naiyak talaga ako. Kasi natouch ako kay Tatay. Pero mo iniwan siya, tapos sakali na lang siya nakatira. Umaasa siya na babalikan siya ng pamilya niya. Grabe yung sacrifice si Tatay. God, naiyak ako. Ayan. Pasensya na, guys. Talagang, this is a touching melody na very amazing, inspiring, a good man, you know. Grabe, apakabait ni Tatay. Talagang, ang ganda ng story nito talaga. Lahat talaga related nito. Lahat na apektuhan eh. What a beautiful song. Wow, Tay. So, your song really touched my heart. And what a powerful message for all families to always love each other. So, yun nga, very fantastic song. Ang ganda, guys. Napakabait ni Tatay. So, yun lang. Ang ganda ng boses mo. So meaningful, you know. And heartfelt that the pain comes out in him. Na makikita mo talaga yung, habang kinakanta niya yung song na yun, talagang doon niya ina-express yung naramdaman niya. Doon sa loobin niya. So, I love the song, guys. Naiyak talaga ako. Natulog sipon ko. And so, guys, and I hope you like my reaction. Please give me a thumbs up and comment down below, guys, for any suggestions. And please don't forget to like and share. And of course, hit the bell, guys, para naman ma-update kayo sa mga reaction, sa mga susunod na reaction ko, guys. So, hanggang dito muli at magkikita naman tayo in my next reaction. Thank you. God bless and goodbye.